Welcome to our channel, Python Prodigies. In today's video, we have an exciting Python tutorial where we will dive into the fundamentals and help you master the basics of Python programming. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this video will be perfect for you. So, let's get started. Python tutorial, Mastering the Basics. Section 1, Introduction to Python. Before we jump into coding, let's begin with a quick introduction to Python. Python is a high-level, versatile programming language that is widely used in various domains, such as web development, data analysis, machine learning, and more. It has a simple syntax that makes it easy to learn and read. Introduction to Python. Section 2, Setting up Python. Host. To start coding in Python, you need to set up the Python environment on your computer. Here are the steps to get started. 1. Download Python. Go to python.org and download the latest version of Python suitable for your operating system. 2. Installation. Run the installer and follow the instructions to install Python. 3. IDE, Integrated Development Environment. You can choose from various sites like PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, or simply use a text editor like Sublime Text. Setting up Python. Section 3, Python Syntax and Variables. Host. Now that we have Python set up, let's dive into the basics of Python syntax and variables. 1. Print statement. The print function is used to display output on the console. 2. Variables. In Python, you can assign values to variables using the equals sign. 3. Data types. Python supports various data types such as integers, floats, strings, booleans, and more. Python syntax and variables. Section 4, Conditional statements and loops. Host. Conditional statements and loops are essential for controlling the flow of your program. Let's explore some of the key concepts. 1. If statement. The if statement allows you to execute a block of code based on a condition. 2. For loop. The for loop is used to iterate over a sequence of elements. 3. While loop. The while loop repeats a block of code as long as a condition is true. Conditional statements and loops. Section 5, Functions and Modules. Host. Functions and modules are essential for organizing your code and making it reusable. Let's cover the basics. 1. Functions. A function is a block of reusable code that performs a specific task. 2. Parameters and return values. Functions can accept parameters and return values. 3. Modules. Modules are Python files that contain reusable code. We can import and use them in our programs. Functions and modules. Section 6, Conclusion and Next Steps. Host. Congratulations! You have now mastered the basics of Python programming. Remember, practice is key to becoming a proficient Python programmer. Keep coding and exploring new concepts. Python tutorial, Mastering the Basics. Host. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, let us know in the comments below. Happy coding, Python Prodigies! That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this Python tutorial. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.